With fairvaluation.com, you can access comprehensive deals data to benchmark your company against real market transactions. Explore funding rounds, valuations, and industry trends, all in one place. Let's see how you can use deals data to strengthen your analysis. To access the Deals Data section, open the menu on the right and scroll to the bottom, where you'll find Deals Data. Click on it to view the list of past deals. On the right, you can filter the data by company profile, including stage, sector, and employee count. You can also filter by location, choosing continent, country, or city. Financial filters are available as well, such as valuation range, revenue range, and company status, acquired, funded, or active. For example, if we filter by sector and select Air Management Services, then click Apply, the results will update. Once filtered, you can use the Compare button to select companies or search directly if you already have a specific company in mind. Now let's look at the deal comparison feature. Here, deals are classified by the type of funding round, the date of funds raised, the amount raised, and the valuation at that time. You can also view the revenue multiple and compare it with your own company. Once revenue multiples are selected, go to Multiple Selection for Valuation, where you can choose from average, mean, median, maximum, or minimum multiples. Next, under Company Details, you'll find the executive summary, financial intelligence, key people and founders, as well as recent news and market sentiment. To navigate between companies, click the menu button next to the company name to see the full list of selected companies. Finally, in the Funding Details section, you can view detailed data of past funding rounds for each selected company. This information can be displayed in Indian rupees, US dollars, euros, pounds sterling, or Singapore dollars, and you can also filter by funding rounds. Next, let's move on to the Competitors section. Here, you will find a detailed list of the company's competitors, allowing you to compare performance, strategies, and positioning within the industry. Now let's look at the Financial Data section. Here you can access comprehensive financial reports of the company, including the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. These documents give you a clear view of the company's revenue, expenses, assets, liabilities, and overall financial health. In the Company News section, you will find a curated stream of updates related to the selected company. This includes news on secondary transactions, mergers and acquisitions, regulatory changes, market developments, and other relevant events. Staying updated with these insights helps you understand both the opportunities and the risks associated with the company. Then for the IPO Details section. On this page, you'll find complete IPO details of the company, including its issue size, price band, and listing date. You can also view information on the company's financials, lead managers, and subscription status. Everything you need to evaluate the IPO is neatly organized here for your convenience. That's it. See you at the next step.